Ever feel stuck? Like you know you want more out of life but you're not sure how to get there? That's where life coaching comes in. Whether you're looking to work with a coach or thinking about becoming one yourself, life coaching is about transformation and forward momentum. And today we're breaking down what life coaching is, how it works, and why it might be exactly what you're looking for. At the end, I'm going to share with you precisely how to find a life coach and how to get certified as a life coach if that's what you're after, so make sure to stay for that. At its core, life coaching is about helping people create meaningful change. It's not therapy, and it's not about giving advice. Instead, it's a collaborative process where a coach helps you clarify your goals, overcome obstacles, and take action. If you're thinking about working with a life coach, imagine having someone in your corner who asks the right questions, the kind that challenge your thinking, expand your perspective, and unlock new possibilities. It's about helping you bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. And if you're considering becoming a life coach, that's exactly what you do. You guide clients through their challenges, empower them to set and reach goals, and hold them accountable along the way. You become the catalyst for change in their lives. If you're someone considering hiring a coach, the truth is, you don't need to be at rock bottom. Life coaching is for anyone who wants to level up. Even Oprah has a life coach. Whether you're feeling stuck in your career, struggling with relationships, or simply want to feel more aligned with your purpose, a life coach helps you find clarity and momentum. High achievers often turn to life coaches to sharpen their focus, while others seek coaching to rediscover motivation and confidence. If you've ever felt like you're capable of more but just can't seem to break through, that's where a coach can make all the difference. And if you're thinking about becoming a life coach, your potential clients are everywhere. From professionals looking to advance their careers, to people seeking personal growth, the demand for skilled life coaches continues to grow. If you have a passion for helping others reach their potential, there's a place for you in this field. Most life coaching follows a structured process to deliver real, measurable results. One popular framework is called the GROW model. Goal: what do you want to achieve? Reality: where are you right now? Options: what strategies can move you forward? Way forward: what actions will you commit to? If you're looking for a coach, this structure helps you break down big dreams into actionable steps. And the real magic? Accountability. Knowing someone is tracking your progress keeps you focused and consistent. As someone considering becoming a life coach, you'll guide clients through frameworks like these. You'll learn to ask powerful questions, challenge limiting beliefs, and help people create a clear path forward. And as you grow your skills, you'll become the person who empowers others to make lasting changes. If you're on the fence about hiring a life coach, ask yourself, am I clear on my goals? Do I feel stuck despite wanting change? Would I benefit from external support and accountability? If you answered yes to any of these, life coaching could be a game changer. It's not just for CEOs or celebrities, it's for anyone ready to take their life to the next level. And if you're wondering if you have what it takes to become a life coach, ask yourself this: do you love helping people? Are you passionate about personal growth? If so, life coaching might be your next step. So, how do you become a life coach? It starts with developing the right skills, like active listening, asking insightful questions, and understanding human behavior. Many successful coaches pursue certification through programs accredited by organizations like the International Coaching Federation, often referred to as the ICF. While it's not mandatory, professional training boosts your credibility and equips you with proven coaching tools. Once you're trained, start practicing. Offer free or discounted sessions to friends or colleagues. Real experience sharpens your ability to guide people through transformation. From there, you can build your brand, define your niche, and start attracting paying clients. The best life coaches never stop learning. You grow as your clients grow, and the reward? Seeing the direct impact you make on someone's life. So, whether you're considering working with a life coach or becoming one yourself, there's no denying the power of this process. The right coach can help you unlock your potential, or give you the tools to help others do the same. If this video gave you clarity on life coaching, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you rather work with a life coach or become one? Check the description for how to get certified as a life coach and the easiest way to find the perfect life coach for you. And as always, good luck and see you in the next video.